Hello viewers. In this video, you'll learn about sum function of Microsoft Excel. Sum function is probably the most commonly used and powerful function in Excel. I will show some of its practical uses in this video. This is a beginner level video, so let's start with the syntax. To create a formula with sum function, you need to put a equal sign, the word sum, and close brackets. Within the brackets, you have to provide reference of values for which you want to calculate the sum. Here I made some example of formula. At the first one, I used individual cells as the value reference like A1, A2, A3 and so on. This formula will calculate the sum of the values contained by those cells. Or you can use range of cells. Here A1 to A6 is a range of cells. This formula will calculate the sum of values of all 6 cells starting from A1 to A6. You can even use direct numbers and you can mix all of it, but remember you need to separate every reference or direct values by comma. Here in number 4, you can see A1, which is a cell separated by comma from the range A3 to A7, which is also separated from the number 10. I believe you get the basic idea. Now let's jump to the Excel. Here I made a sample data. It's a demo of monthly sale. For the total sale of branch 1, we need to type equal, then sum, first bracket, and then I just click and drag to select my cell data. Here we can see Excel automatically create value reference, which is a range of cells. You don't have to type it. You can, but you don't need to. Now I close the brackets and press enter. For branch 2, I will use both range and cells. So equal sum, first bracket, selecting first range, comma, a single cell, comma, another cell, closing the bracket and pressing enter. Well, typing the formula takes time. You can do the whole thing in just one click. Select the cell and a few data and find the AutoSum icon on Home tab. Here it is. Click. Here you go. Press enter. There is even a faster way to do this. Select the cell and press Alt and equal at the same time. And you got this. Press enter. Again, Alt and equal. Press enter. If the rules are same for the whole column, then click, hold and drag. You will see the Excel will automatically adjust the cells for you. Till now, you have learned to calculate sum on a single sheet. Let's try with multiple sheets. Here, within sheet 1 to 3, there are 3 months of sale data. And in a separate sheet, I want the total sale data for the whole quarter, branch-wise. You can type equal sum, bracket, and click on the sheet 1 where is first month data and select, use comma and select 2 other month in the same way. Closing bracket and press enter. Now click and drag to fill your record fields. This method works well, but here I only have 3 sheets to work on. So I can do it easily by selecting the data individually from different sheets. But at work, you could have plenty of sheets and it would be troublesome to select cells one by one. In Excel, there is an easy solution. You need to type equal sum, bracket, and click on sheet 1, select the first data as before you did, and now press shift and select the last sheet of your workbook, which you want to include in the summation. In my case, it's sheet 3. You can see that sheet 1 to 3 is selected. Sheet 4 is also selected because we are working on that sheet. And on the formula bar, you can see that it shows sheet 1 to 3. It's like range of sheets. You also see B2 because that's where our sales value is. Now press enter and you will have the result. Click, hold and drag to fill up your required data. Now to get the total amount, select cells accordingly. Press Alt and equal together. Your job is done. If you want to use this method, you should keep two things in mind. Number one, after applying the formula, you cannot rearrange the order of sheets involved in formula. For this example, sheet 1 to 3 involved in the summation formula, so these 3 sheets must remain in the same order as were when applying the formula in sheet 4. Number 2, those sheets should have the same data format, otherwise you won't get the desired result. Here, as we are working with a few data, so it's easy to select cells individually and apply the sum formula. If you have bigger data like this one, the previous method could be time consuming. In this case, we can select the cells where we'll apply the sum formula in a different method. First, we'll select all the cells with data, including the cells we want to fill. Now press Ctrl and G together. A window prompt named GoTo will appear. Click on Spatial, select Blanks and click OK. Now we can see all the blank cells are selected. These are the cells we want to fill with some value. Now press Alt and equal and you will see the Excel done calculations for you. Here is a bonus trick of sum function. Consider you have a set of data of number of piece of product and rate of cost. And you need the total cost, not the individual product cost. Usually what we do, we find the cost of individual product and then get the total cost like this. But here is an easy way to find the total cost without the individual cost. We'll do it using sum function with array formula. Type equal sum bracket as usual. Now select the whole range of number of product piece and use asterisk as a multiplication sign. Now the whole range of product rates. Close brackets. Don't just press enter, rather press Ctrl, Shift and enter together. Pressing these 3 keys together will create array formula. For array formula, Excel does some additional calculation and provide your desired result. You don't need individual costing to calculate total costing, so you can delete this column data. That's all for this video. If you found this video useful, hit the like button and share it with your friends. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.